Welcome, beautiful souls. If you're seeking deeper meaning in life, more profound peace, and a sense of true connection, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring a powerful topic: how yoga deepens your spiritual journey. If you're ready to transform your practice from stretches to spiritual expansion, stay with me. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because true growth happens when we journey together. Let's begin. Let's start at the root. What is yoga really? It's tempting to think of yoga as physical fitness, but its origins and purpose span far beyond the mat. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to yoke or to unite. But what are we uniting? Not just body and mind, but body, mind, and spirit. Yoga is an ancient spiritual discipline. According to texts like the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali, yoga is the stilling of the fluctuations of the mind. That means yoga is about calming inner chaos and coming into harmony with ourselves and the universe. Classical yoga, called Raja Yoga or the Royal Path, includes 8 limbs. Physical postures, or asanas, are just one limb. Others include breath control, pranayama, ethical practices, yamas and niyamas, concentration, dharana, meditation, dhyana, and ultimate self-realization, samadhi. Modern practitioners might focus on flexibility and physical health, but yoga has always been a holistic path, one that blends movement, breath, mindfulness, and ethics into a profound spiritual discipline. The Bhagavad Gita describes yoga as skill in action, present in daily life, not just during formal practice. Yoga isn't tied to a single belief system. It's practiced by people of all faiths and backgrounds and adapts to different worldviews. It's a practical tool for self-exploration, expanding our consciousness and helping us experience the sacred in everyday life. So, how does yoga deepen your spiritual journey? First, yoga cultivates presence. Through mindful movement and conscious breathing, you anchor yourself in the now, the only place true spiritual insight can arise. Second, yoga builds self-awareness. Each pose and breath invites you to notice your inner landscape, your thoughts, emotions, and sensations. This heightened awareness is the bedrock of personal growth and spiritual awakening. Third, yoga provides a structure for ethical living. The yamas and niyamas, like ahimsa, nonviolence, and satya, truthfulness, help align your actions with your highest values. Living authentically and compassionately is a spiritual practice in itself. Fourth, yoga supports inner peace. The meditative aspects of yoga, dhyana and pranayama, help dissolve anxiety, fear, and restless energy. As your nervous system relaxes, your mind becomes clearer, more receptive to intuitive wisdom. Fifth, yoga connects you to something greater. Whether you call it the universe, spirit, or simply life itself, consistent practice allows you to feel part of an interconnected web, united, not alone. Curious how to tap into the spiritual dimensions of yoga beyond the postures? Let's dive into 5 transformative practices anyone can start today. First, set a spiritual intention. At the start of your practice, pause and ask yourself, why am I stepping onto my mat today? Maybe you seek inner peace, healing, or connection. Offer this as a gentle anchor throughout your session. Second, focus on breath. Breath is the bridge between body and soul. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Try simple pranayama, like alternate nostril breathing, to quiet the mind and balance your energy. Third, practice meditation after asanas. Once your body is open and relaxed, sit in silence, even for 5 minutes. Observe thoughts without judgment, and witness how your mind transforms. You might use a mantra or mindful breathing as your focus. Fourth, study spiritual texts or reflections. This integrates sacred wisdom into your daily life. Fifth, bring yoga off the mat. The real measure of your practice isn't in advanced poses, but in how you treat yourself and others. Practice gratitude, patience, and kindness each day. These small, consistent acts deepen and sustain your spiritual journey endlessly. If you're human, you'll encounter resistance, boredom, self-doubt, busyness. That's normal. Don't wait for the perfect time or the right mood. Start messy, start small. Even 10 minutes a day can change your life. Find a style or teacher that resonates with your heart. Explore Hatha, Kundalini, Eam, or restorative classes. Trust yourself to adapt your practice as you grow. There's no single right way to be a spiritual yogi. Track your progress through journaling. Write about what you notice, shifts in your mindset, mood, or sense of connection. Celebrate small milestones and forgive yourself when you skip a day. Spirituality is a journey, not a race. Yoga isn't about touching your toes or achieving a perfect pose. It's about deepening your relationship with yourself, body, mind, and spirit. It's about presence, compassion, and transformation, all woven together in a practice that meets you exactly where you are. Whether you're seeking inner calm, meaning, or a sense of belonging, yoga provides tools that anyone can use, regardless of faith, age, or ability. Your mat is a sacred space, a launching pad for a lifelong spiritual adventure. If today's video inspired you, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone you think might benefit. I'd love to hear about your own experiences, so leave a comment below. How has yoga touched your spiritual life? Remember, you are your own best teacher. The journey is yours. Own it, enjoy it, and trust the unfolding. Until next time.